Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass FRP on Samsung Galaxy A12. As you can see right now I have the phone. It's the Galaxy A12 and right now it's locked by FRP. So I'm going to show you how you can simply bypass it by just one click. So you just have to power off the device and then you need to download a software on your PC, which you can download from the link in description. It's the same FW tool, and then you have to connect your phone. I'm sorry, you don't have to turn it off. Connect your phone while turned on. So once you have connected your phone, go to Samsung tab in the tool, and from here click on the top option, remove FRP USA models. As you can see, now your phone will reboot by itself. And there you can see the phone is restarting now. And that's it guys, the FRP is now removed. So that's how you can bypass the FRP on Samsung Galaxy A12. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.